Hey, Dutchman and Mods and Repairs. We're working on replacing this IACV in an RSX Type S throttle body. And what we ran into on one of the screws, so you got the two screws that you're removing, and they're both Phillip heads. And these can be pretty corroded here and locked up on you. We were able to get this one loose with a regular screwdriver. I think we might even put a vice grip on it, small vice grip to kind of grab onto it and get it just crack loose. But this one back here would not budge. Okay, and we tried to get the vice grips on there, wouldn't work. But I wanted to share a tool that we used on this. This is like an impact. This is an old school tool, so this is something that my dad had in his shop, and basically you can set it for loosen or tighten, and you strike it with a hammer on top, so you get kind of the impact tool effect. So when you're putting it in the screw, if you have it set for loose, you take the hammer and you strike down on it here, and you get that impact jolt plus the torsion on the screw to break it loose. And I just wanted to share that with you all as a tool to have around. You won't use it much, or I don't know, maybe if you live up north you use it a lot, and we're in the south, but regardless, great tool to have. And it's just, it was called a Dr. Impact Sockets. I'm sure that thing is probably almost as old as I am, but hey, just a little tidbit information to pass along if you run into screws like that, so you don't round them out, and maybe it'll help for you. Thanks for watching.